On this episode of Meet the Experts, we're going to be chatting to Conor from Easee. He's going to explain who Easee are and how they're helping Irish drivers go electric. So let's go have a chat with him. We're here with Conor from Easee. Conor, can you tell us a bit about Easee?
Yes, so we're an AC charge point manufacturer, birthed out in Norway in 2018, rolled out to the other countries 2019, 2020. We've just surpassed 1 million installs globally in the business, and we predominantly operate in the AC side, so small 7 kilowatts to 22 kilowatts.
Okay, very good. And tell me about the aspirations for the company moving forward.
Yes, we dabbled in Ireland around 2021. We noticed that installers and the people that were installing EVs then want good reliability, good support system, a good charger that's easy to install. And we went away, done research, came back to the market with a better product in 2023.
Excellent. You've got some great partners as well in the Irish market.
We do. We came, boots on the ground through the installation network, really build some rapport with those guys, get them on our side to test the product, break the product, tell us where we can do better with the product. And yeah, we've got a good couple of thousand units out in the market.
So when I think of Easee, I think about sleek, I think design, I think compact.
Yeah.
That's really the ethos behind the company.
100%. We brought it to market, sleek, Scandic design. We were also thinking about the economic friendly side of it as well, the compact design of shipping as well.
Very good.
It was fit for the household to not be very intruding, but also nice looking on the wall.
And it's not just black as a colour option, you've got different colourways as well.
Five options. Anthracite, grey to the normal person, red, white, dark blue, and then black is standard. Yeah.
Some people, when they're buying chargers, they're given the option of going tethered or untethered. And to Joe Public, it's with the cable or without the cable, but you've got a unique solution with Easee.
We don't want someone to have to just pick one or the other. So we have this awesome mechanism where you've got a lock-in hook, where you can actually plug in the cable into the charger, go to the app, press lock hook, and then it becomes a tethered charger. Then you have that tethered solution, the connected cable. You also have the option where you can unlock it within the app and it becomes an untethered. Benefit of that is less cable failures, first point of failure in a tethered solution. And second, you can bring that cable with you on your travels when you go around the country, plug it into the public network as well.
You mentioned the app there and the functionality. You've got not just one, but two apps for both sides, the installation and the user.
When we brought the chargers to market, we wanted to make sure it was easy installation, easy commission, not bringing your laptop out trying to go old school. So you got the Easee Installer app. You can commission the chargers offline, rainy days in Ireland, majority of the days. So you can offline commission from your van the night before in the house, in the office, and you can go to site and install and then just cable up. Then you've got the end user app, simple user friendly, lock cable, see state of charge, and schedule charging for energy tariffs as well.
So that schedule and charging, that's the real benefit of going electric, is picking that energy that you know the cheapest overnight rate is, and you can schedule that on the app.
100%. We're trying to eliminate the fear of moving to EV, especially for the Irish customers. We're seeing a mass adoption in EV now, given the Q1 numbers. We want to work with them to ensure that they're charging at a cheaper rate so that when they do transition over, they don't have that fear of the cost of it. With different energy providers, they can implement their tariffs as well, and we can work with them so that the end customer has a cheaper tariff and cheaper fuel.
When people are buying electric vehicles, they're thinking about the reliability of the vehicle, but we also need to think about the reliability of the actual hardware you're putting on your business or on your home, and Easee have some great stats on that.
Yeah, 100%. Ultimately, we want you to wake up the next day and your car's been charged by our charger. With 1 million installed to date, the stats online, Easee Insights page, you can Google it, is a 99.5% reliability score across that whole fleet, which is unbelievable.
That 0.5, you're drilling into that decibel level because you want to understand, because sometimes there will be failures.
Always. Sometimes there's just units that have been returned, external factors, and the majority of them have either been refurbed and repurposed. So yeah, we like to know what that 0.5% is. We're always striving to become better. So
very good. Thanks very much, Conor. If you'd like to find out more about Easee, whether it's going to suit your business or your home, you can click the link in the description below.